Welcome dear student in today's class. Now we studied about Setu Abhyaskram of class 8, subject mathematics, area, algebra and unit algebraic formulae, expression of squares, subunit expansion of squares and day 39 and 14. Let's see. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या या स्तरामध्ये आपण पाहूया विषय गणितसाठी सेतू अभ्यासक्रम आणि आजचा दिवस आहे 39 आणि 40वा. दोन्ही दिवसासाठी सामायिक सिलेबस आहे आजचा आणि युनिट आहे अल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म्युले, एक्सपेन्शन ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स, सब युनिट एक्सपेन्शन ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स. चला तर मग पाहूया. Concept corner. Let's recall what is the square of number, what is the square of the number 9, how did you find it? Exactly, we would have done 9 into 9 equal to 81, means square of any numbers you have done multiplication of that number 2 times. So here square of 9 equal to 9 into 9 equal to 81. Now let's see how to find a square of algebraic expression with the help of a diagram. With the help of the diagram, the strips used in this figure are called algebraic strip. Let's consider an example: a plus b whole square equal to a plus b into a plus b, in first bracket a plus b and into second bracket also a plus b, in which a and b are positive terms. So let's show by the yellow strips as shown in the figure. Here we have a rectangular arrangement of multiplication. Rectangular arrangement of multiplication. Each square is a rectangle here. Each square is a rectangle. Now, therefore, a plus b equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. We know about that formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now here let's see. A into a square, a into b ab, b into a ab and b into b equal to b square. Therefore a plus b square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, by using the figure. Therefore similarly we will observe rectangular arrangement of expansion. A minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b, 2 times a minus b into a minus b. Here, as a is positive terms, let's show it by yellow strip and b is negative term by red strip. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here also a into a square, a into b ab, b into a ab and b into b square. Now let's study the expansion of a plus b in one bracket into a minus b in second bracket equal to a square minus b square with the help of the figure. Here also a into a a square, a into b, ab, b into a, ab, and b into b equal to b square. Therefore, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square plus ab minus b square, and a square plus ab minus b square. ab minus ab is cancelled, and therefore a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus b in one bracket into a minus b in second bracket is equal to a square minus b square with the help of the figure. Now I know the product of algebraic expression is called their expansion or their expanded form. The product of algebraic expression is called their expansion or their expanded form. Formulas are created so that the expansion of particular type of algebraic expression can be written as directly written as third a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus ab minus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square is the expansion of a minus b whole square. Now fifth, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A plus b in one bracket into a minus b in second bracket is equal a square minus b square. These are the important formulas for the expansion of algebraic expression. Now practice corner here. Let's study the expanded form of the square of a binomial. Let's study the expanded form of the square of binomial. First, x plus 2y bracket complete whole square, x plus 2y bracket complete whole square equal to x square plus twice x into 2y plus 2y square. Means here a equal to x, suppose a equal to x, याला x मानूया आणि b म्हणजेच 2y, b equal to 2y. Suppose now a square equal to x square, ab means x into 2y. Therefore x plus 2y whole square equal to x square plus 2 into 2 4xy plus 2y square 4y square. Here x plus 2y whole square equal to x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is the expansion. Second, x minus 2y whole square equal to x square minus 2 into x into 2y plus 2y square is equal to x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. And third is 4x square minus 9y square equal to 2x square minus 3y square is a square minus b square. Here a equal to 2x and b equal to 3y. Suppose let's here in third example a equal to 2x and b equal to 3y. Therefore a minus b, a square minus b square equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in second bracket. Therefore 2x square minus 3y square equal to 2x plus 3y in first bracket and second 2x minus 3y. 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y is the expansion of 4x square minus 9y square. Here we convert into 4x square minus 9y square into 2x square minus 3y whole square. Next, write the expansion of the following expression in the given table. First, 2z plus 4y square means a plus b whole square. फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन पहिलं एक्सप्रेशन काय आहे 2z प्लस 4y होल स्क्वेअर कंसाचा वर्ग आहे म्हणून या ठिकाणी आपण a प्लस बी कंसाचा वर्ग हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो या ठिकाणी वापरूया हियर a इक्वल टू 2z and b इक्वल टू 4y. Therefore 2z square plus 2 into 2z into 4y plus 4y square. Two z square plus 2z 4y means a square plus twice ab plus 4y square is equal to 4z square plus 16yz plus 16y square. 4 square equal to 16y square. Here this is the expansion of 2z plus 4y whole square equal to 4z square plus 16yz plus 16y square. Now second, 4p minus 5q whole square equal to 4p square minus 40pq plus 25q square. 25q square means a square minus twice ab plus b square. a square minus twice ab plus b square. (16p square minus 40pq plus 25q square is the expansion of 4p minus 5q whole square. Now 16l square minus 25m square. First we convert this is into 4l square minus 5m square in the bracket 4l square minus in the bracket 5m square means square of 4 16 and square of 5 equal to 25. And now expansion of 4l bracket square minus 5m bracket square is equal to 4l plus 5m in first bracket and 4l minus 5m in the second bracket. Means here a square minus b square equal to a plus b in first bracket and a minus b in the second bracket. By using this formula a square minus b square is equal to in the first bracket a plus b and in the second bracket multiplied by second bracket का a minus b. Here 4l square minus 5am square equal to 4l plus 5am in the first bracket and 4l minus 5am in the second bracket. मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आजचा हा शेतू अभ्यासक्रम या ठिकाणी संपलेला आहे. तुम्ही हा शेवटपर्यंत व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल तुमचे धन्यवाद. तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा बघायला आणि सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल माझ्या चॅनलला तर जरूर करा. आणि काही अडचण असेल तर नक्की विचारा माझ्या वैयक्तिक नंबरवर आणि कॉमेंट्स बॉक्समध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही विचारू शकता. भेटूया पुढच्या सत्रामध्ये.